Hi guys, it's me, Hasba with WTI. I have curly hair as you can see here, but this hair cream for curly hair has helped me so much throughout the years, and I want to show you all the cool things it can do for my hair. This is the Afro Curling Puree, and my curly hair is really peaky, so whenever I know that I'm gonna have a long day out and I need my curls to look good and decent for at least 16 hours, I use this one. And that's why I still have some because I don't use it every day. I do use other curling creams, but for special days only this one works. It moisturizes my hair. My curls look really defined, which is something I love because I don't like my hair to have a lot of volume. I don't do any defining method. I just put it on with my fingers and I section my hair a little bit, but that's it. And I like my hair to be down just the way it is right now. I don't want it to be like an afro. And I know the brand is Afro Love, but this one especially, I can style my hair however I want and they look really nice. It's perfect for defining, detangling, and hair growth. So I use it for detangling and defining my curls. And I love how thick it is. So you really don't need much. I think this one has last up to 6 months because we just add a little tiny bit and spraying it a little with water, it works wonderfully. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's really thick. So that's something I like about it because again, when it's thick, the thicker it is, the longer it lasts for in my case. And it all depends on how much hair you have. But yes, this is something I really like about the product. I'm really happy to share a product that I know well so that you can try it too. And that's my point of view.